Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. Today I'm going to give you a little retrospective, a week in the life of. Before I get to that, if you would like to make an appointment, please go to callfrankbruno.com. I take appointments by phone or in person. It might be good to speak a little bit on the phone, 10 or 15 minutes, get an understanding of what you need, what you think you need, what I could suggest, and whether or not you want further information and to develop a plan. Week in the life. So earlier this week, I've been doing a daily show, right? I titled it Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. Maybe I'm going to have to change it to the Frank Bruno Show and take a camera and on my exploits. So yesterday I went to a nursing home, a rehabilitation center, to meet with someone that I had been appointed to represent by the court. So in my role as an elder law attorney, I also obtain court appointments. I deal with people in the public, referrals from financial advisors and accountants, past clients that referred me, family members. The fact that I've been in the same neighborhood for 23 years as a lawyer certainly helps me get referrals and get to know members of the community, pillars of the community that recommend me. So I'm really lucky in that respect. And you sort of get lucky with longevity. So the longer I've been there, the deeper the relationships I've made, the more referrals I've gotten. And it's similar, but different in that I'm among a list of attorneys to get appointed, and I do routinely get appointed to matters involving the elderly or children. So I handle people in both areas, the very young and the very old. And it's sort of because there's an infirmity in both ages, right? There's potentially an incapacity. Children under 18 are, I can't say they're incapacitated, but they don't have capacity in that they don't have legal capacity. They can't make their own decisions. So oftentimes I'll get appointed to children. And that could either be in the surrogates court because they've inherited something or been disinherited, and I address those issues. And I also get appointed to children that are in the middle of a custody case. So something I don't speak about too often, but I do represent children there. But I was appointed to represent a gentleman in a guardianship case, and 93 years old, and I was appointed to represent him. And I went to the rehab center to meet with him yesterday, and I just was appointed, and I was told that he was transferred to the hospital. And when I got to the hospital, I went from the rehab center to the hospital. Unfortunately, the gentleman had passed away. So I never got a chance to meet him, and I was appointed to his case. There is no issue with that. The unfortunate loss of this gentleman, it preempts everything. But if the family had properly planned, if they had discussed what was going to happen for him, with the family, how they were going to care for him, share time with him, who was going to help him with his decisions, then the family never would have been in the situation of having to go to court to have siblings at odds in a battle. And that's an unfortunate situation, and it's a common situation. So If you'd like to speak with me about your plan, how to arrive at a plan, I'd be more than willing to help. Please go to callfrankbruno.com. Please take a look at the website, frankbrunolaw.com. Thank you very much.